Good morning, friends. Earlier we have seen that management principles, management decision, making procedures, and everything we have seen. Now, next topic in our first unit is on total quality management. Before moving to the total quality management, we must have some basic knowledge regarding the quality. Not exactly the metrology and quality control. That we are not going for that only, but we must have what is meant by quality. That you must know. There are, if with respect to quality, there are n number of definitions. That definitions we are coming in when we are going for the QC tools. Then at that time we are going to see different types of different definitions of the quality. Also, this quality management, for that purpose, what does the term quality means? The definition which is going to be acceptable in most of the times is quality is the ability of the product or service to consistently meet and or exceed customer expectations. Whatever will be the expectation that product has to fulfill, and not for one time, it should fulfill the customer requirement, customer expectations every time. Because if we manufacture one product, n number of products in one component, it is fulfilling, but n number of products it is not fulfilling, that is not good. For every product, it should fulfill the customer expectation, customer satisfaction. It should satisfy to the customer. This is the definition of basic quality which is going to be accepted. These are the different quality gurus who work over the quality. They have given some different definitions and everything. And according to all these quality gurus, the dimensions of quality, there are different dimensions of the quality. What are those dimensions of the quality? Because what is meant by quality dimensions? What is the dimensions of quality? Whatever will be the expectations of the customer, that is to be going to be that is to be collected together, and according to that, the expectations and everything we are going to check, and we are going to study that. Those are called as dimensions of the quality, and it is called these dimensions of quality are performance, main characteristic of the product, public service. गाड़ी है, गाड़ी का परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा होना चाहिए. परफॉर्मेंस पर क्या है, गाड़ी बनाए लेकिन उसका एवरेज ज़्यादा दे, तो वो पेट्रोल ज़्यादा पी रही है, चलेगा क्या? एवरेज अच्छा होना चाहिए, परफॉर्मेंस उसका पावर पिकअप अच्छा होना चाहिए, ये सब चीज़ें हैं. वैसे उसका परफॉर्मेंस, एस्थेटिक, उसका लुक अच्छा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो लोगों को दिखने के लिए भी अच्छे होना चाहिए. नहीं तो गाड़ी निकाला लेकिन वो कुछ भी अलग ही टाइप की है, चलेगी क्या? नहीं, वो दिखने के लिए भी अच्छा है. गाड़ी में बैठे बुक बोलते ऐसे नहीं लग जाए कि भाई क्यों कौन से गधे के ऊपर बैठे, ऐसे ऊपर दिखना नहीं चाहिए. स्पेशल फीचर्स, इफ दैट प्रोडक्ट इज हैविंग सम स्पेशल फीचर, that is to be maintained or controlled. Conformance, how well product or service conformance of the customer expectation. Whatever the expectations of customers, whatever product we have manufactured, that confirms that it is going to solve these number of expectations by customers. It is confirmed that it is going to solve, or it is going to give a confirmation that the product has solved these expectations of the customer. Reliability, consistency of performance. मित्र, आज गाडी घेतली, उद्या उठून ती गॅरेजला नाही राहील, ती गाडी घेणार का आपण? नाही. त्याच्या हिशोबाने आपल्याला या गोष्टीचा विचार करावा लागणार आहे. देन ड्युरेबिलिटी, युजफुल ऑफ लाईफ ऑफ द प्रॉडक्ट और सर्विस. जसं ज्याच्यामध्ये पहिल्या ज्याचं होतं की रिलायबिलिटी, की गाडी घेतलं की चालणारच आहे, तसं ड्युरेबिलिटी किंवा 5 वर्ष चालेल, 6 वर्ष चालेल, 7 वर्ष चालेल, 10 वर्ष चालेल, म्हणजे जेवढी किंमत आहे त्याच्या हिशोबाने त्याचं लाईफ पण मिळालं पाहिजे. तेवढं नाही तर लाईफ मिळालं नाही तर काय उपयोग आहे का? नाही. Pursued quality, indirect evaluation of the quality, reputation, whatever be the reputation of that company, that should be maintained. Serviceability, service after sale must be there. Whatever product you are manufacturing, it must be serviced. Or if it is use and throw, that you have to mention that this product is made for use and throw purpose. Use and throw purpose, that you have to mention. If suppose we have purchased a laptop and it is not repairable and it is for 1 lakh rupees, are you going to pay? No, it should be serviceable, because we are paying 1 lakh rupees or 50,000 rupees because it is serviceable, it is giving service. We are paying for the service. By paid service also it will be repaired. Otherwise you have purchased 50,000 and whenever it fails to work, you have to throw it. Are you going to invest in that? No. That's why this should be serviceable. Whatever will be the product, that should be serviceable. These are the again dimensions of the quality: design, ease of use, conformance to design, and service. Determinants of quality: quality of the design and quality of the performance. Consequences of the poor quality: loss of business, liability, productivity, and cost. याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही जर quality, if you are not maintain the quality, what is going to happen? You are going to lose the business. Automatically liability going to be increased, because for producing that, if you are taken the loan, liability is going to be there. If you are invested own money, that is going to be lost. So automatically liability going to increase, because whatever investment is there, there should be some returns. If returns is not going to be there, what is going to happen? Productivity, as you have produced a less productivity, you have produced a rejected component, what is going to be the productivity going to decrease. And productivity is nothing but maximum production with minimum input. So you are going to use the input, and if you are producing a rejected product, is there any productivity? Productivity is going to be less. When you have to produce a product which is having a productivity above 95%, that target you must maintain. The productivity must be more than 95%. Costs, automatically whatever more money or labor you have to pay, again for repairing purpose or labor purpose, you have to pay for the cost. That may be labor cost, that may be electricity cost will be there, that additional cost will be there, which is going to reduce your profit. Who are going to for the every department is going for the having a responsibility for quality. Top management is there, design department is there, procurement department is there, production or operation department, quality assurance, packaging. All the departments are responsible for maintaining the quality. Cost of quality: failure cost incurred by defective parts of products or faulty services. Internal failure of cost incurred to fix problems that are detected before the product service is delivered to the customer. विकायच्या आधीच TV विकायच्या आधीच जर तुम्हाला पैसा पडला इथं, काय फायदा आहे? त्याला खर्च करणार आहे. External failure: all cost incurred to fix the problems that are detected after the product public service is delivered to the customers. These are the two different failure cost, जे internal आहे किंवा external आहे. Appraisal cost of activities designed to ensure quality or uncover defects. हे त्याच्यासाठी रिवर्क वगैरे जे काय करावं लागणार आहे, that is going to be appraisal cost, additional cost, that will be additional cost, and prevention cost, all the TQ training, total quality training, total quality planning, customer assessment, process control, quality improvement, cost to prevent defects from occurring. म्हणजे इफ रिक्वायर्ड तुम्हाला ट्रेनिंग देणं जरुरी आहे, प्लॅनिंग करणं जरुरी आहे, कस्टमरचं ॲसेसमेंट ते कंटिन्युअसली तुम्ही ज्या प्रॉडक्ट कस्टमरकडे दिलेला आहे त्याचा आपला उपयोग करून त्याचा फीडबॅक कंटिन्युअसली घेणं जरुरी आहे, आणि जो काही आपण रिजेक्शन ज्याच्यामुळे जे रिजेक्ट होणार आहे त्याला प्रिव्हेंट करणं हे फार तेवढंच जरुरी आहे. अर्लियर quality control is there, quality assurance, quality management and total quality management. These are the progresses of their quality control, a system of maintaining standards in manufactured products by testing a sample of output against the specifications. Quality control is about evaluating whether the product of your project meets the quality standards which we have defined. It examines the quality of end products and final outcome. Quality assurance, on the other hand, is about ensuring that the product is produced in the right way. It is proactive and concerned with the processes and activities during the product development. Quality control, as per specifications, it is manufacturing or not, that you have seen. But quality assurance, it is checking, inspecting, as well as it is taking actions. Proactive and concerned. It is proactive and concerned about the processes and activities during the product development. You are going to see in the processes also from where that quality is going to be rejected or quality is going to be not maintained, that you have to study and you have to attack on that problem. Now there are different quality control tools are there. There are many approaches to quality control. The type you use depends on your specific product and should be determined before any quality control inspection begins. There are 7 primary quality control tools which include checklist. At its most basic, quality control requires you to check off the list of items that are imperative to manufacture and sell your product. ती चेकलिस्ट तुमच्याकडं असणं जरुरी आहे. चेकलिस्ट कुठली, जी तुमची क्वालिटी कंट्रोलची जी आहे, जी क्वालिटी कंट्रोल मिनिमम मेंटेन करण्याच्या हिशोबाने एखादी चेकलिस्ट की जे क्वालिटी स्टँडर्ड्स कशाचे क्वालिटी स्टँडर्ड्स ठरवणार आहे तुम्ही, ते क्वालिटी स्टँडर्ड्स ठरवण्याच्या हिशोबाने तुमची चेकलिस्ट असणं जरुरी आहे. फिशबोर्ड डायग्राम, दिस visual is helpful for determining what causes a specific problem, be it materials, machines, methods or manpower. If suppose the product is getting rejected, from where it is getting rejected, this is a visual diagram by which you can get a reason from which the product is getting produced in a defective manner. Correct? It may be with the help of materials, it may be with the help of machines, it may be with the help of methods or manpower. That you have to search and you have to attack on that. Control chart, this helps you to see how processes historically change using controls. The chart helps you find and correct problems as they happen and predict the range of outcomes analyzed by machine. कंट्रोल चार्ट, काही याचे समजा ह्याला टेम्परेचर एवढं ठेवा, त्याला याचे एवढे टेम्परेचर ठेवलं गेलं पाहिजे, याचं टेम्परेचर एवढे, याची स्पीड एवढी पाहिजे, याची हे आणि हे तेवढे मेंटेन केलेले आहेत का नाही, याचं कंट्रोलिंग चार्ट हे तुमच्याकडं असलं पाहिजे. किंवा तुम्ही प्रॉडक्ट जो बनवला, प्रॉडक्टमध्ये पण हे एवढ्या लेवलपर्यंत तुमचं ॲक्सेप्टेबल, एवढ्या लेवलच्या नंतर रिजेक्टेड आहे, ह्याचं चेक आहे आणि ते किती आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जाते का कंट्रोलमध्ये आहे ह्याच्यासाठी पण तुमचा कंट्रोल चार्ट असणं जरुरी आहे. स्ट्रॅटिफिकेशन, इन्स्टेड ऑफ लुकिंग ऑल फॅक्टर्स टुगेदर, स्ट्रॅटिफिकेशन सेपरेट्स डाटा सो यू कॅन आयडेंटिफाय पॅटर्न्स अँड स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लेम एरियाज. जे काही तुमच्याकडून डाटा येतो आहे त्याच्या तो डाटाला तुम्ही डिव्हाइड करणार आहे, वेगवेगळं एकत्र बघणार नाही. किंवा जेव्हा समजा आता हा रिजेक्टेड आहे, तर रिजेक्ट कशामुळे आहे बाबा, ॲस्थेटिक वेमुळं 4 रिजेक्ट झाले, बरोबर आहे नाही. नंतर 10 रिजेक्ट झाले त्याच्या परफॉर्मन्समुळं, 50 रिजेक्ट झाले त्याच्या कन्फर्मेशनमुळे. म्हणजे कुठल्या प्रॉब्लेममुळे जास्त रिजेक्शन आहे त्याचा डाटा वेगवेगळा कलेक्ट करून. पण सगळं एकदम जर बघितलं तर रिजेक्टच दिसेल, पण रिजेक्टेडमध्ये पण कुठला रिजेक्टेड आहे, कशामुळे रिजेक्ट झालेला आहे, आणि मग त्याचं फिशबोर्ड डायग्राम काढून तो कशामुळे झालेला आहे हे सगळं चेक करण्याचं काम हे क्वालिटी कंट्रोल टूल्स करतात. पॅरेटो चार्ट, दिस टाईप ऑफ बार चार्ट प्रोव्हाइड्स a visual analysis of problems and causes so you can focus on most significant issues. Histograms, a common graph that uses bars to identify frequency distributions that indicate how often defects occurs. And scatter diagram, plotting information along the two axes on this graph can help visually identify relationship between variables. ठीक आहे. It is also called as tally sheets. These are the cause and effect diagram. These are the fishbone diagram. कारण आपण हे तुम्हाला मी जस्ट आत्ता सांगतोय. कारण when we are going to see the PPT regarding new quality tools and different new 7 quality QC tools and 7 basic quality QC tools, then when we are studying that again we have to go through these different charts. So just where I am giving you names, and there we are going to see in details control charts. This is control charts, conquer, stratification, conquer and satisfy data or area. This is histogram, Pareto chart. Pareto chart is like this. By which product it is rejected, it is we are getting that. And histogram, this is axis, and scatter diagram is like this. हिस्टोग्राम मध्ये आता तुमचं ॲनालिसिस करताना किती जास्त वाढलं किती कमी झालं हे तुम्हाला दाखवायला सुरुवात झाली. पहिल्या दिवसामध्ये मायनर किती आहेत, मेजर किती आहेत, दुसऱ्या दिवशी मायनर किती आहेत, मेजर किती आहेत. हे रिजेक्शनचं वेगवेगळं तुम्हाला गणित तुम्हाला इथून समजायला सुरुवात होते. स्कॅटर डायग्राममध्ये 2 तुमचे काढलेले आहेत, हे किती तर तुमचं आहे बघा, एक्स ॲक्सिस आणि वाय ॲक्सिस, डिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल्स अँड एक्स इज इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल्स. या दोन्हीचा ग्राफ जर काढला तर कुठं आहे, या लाईनवर आहे का लाईनच्या बाजूला जातो आहे. मग लाईनच्या बाजूला जात असेल तर दॅट इज गोइंग टू बी रिजेक्टेड. ह्या लाईनवरच राहत असेल तर इट इज ॲक्सेप्टेड. हे तुम्हाला हेच कळायला सोपं जातं. The relationship can be linear, curvilinear, exponential, logarithmic, quadratic, polynomial, etc. Stronger the correlation, stronger with the relationship will hold true. The variables can be positively and negatively related. Define the slope of the equation derived from the scatter diagram. These are the regarding with quality. Now tomorrow we will see that what we are going to see regarding the 7 new quality tools and 7 basic tools. We are going to through that, and then next after that we are going for the TQM, total quality management. We are moving for that only. So tomorrow we will see again these scatter diagrams and everything. Again all these diagrams are 7 QC tools in a detailed manner. Okay, thank you.